I'm saying anybody who wants forms for presidential flag bearer, as well as for chairman, national chairman of NRM, is that we shall issue those forms on Friday, not beyond midday. So don't receive anybody for those positions until I have the forms, because it goes through a lot of security procedure for you to have them. We have security marks in them and they are printing them. So anyone who wants those forms, we are not blocking anybody, but as the chair of the commission, I know the processes. You are going to have those forms on Friday. So any aspirants for those positions should step out and wait until Friday. Those two possibilities. Presidential flag bearer or chairman NRM, chairman of the party, the forms will be available on Friday by midday, and they will be given to you after you are paid. So you don't need to waste any of your time here. Just keep your fold up to Friday. You come and pick the forms. I'm saying the forms will be given at 12. About any question, whether we say President Museven should be the candidate beyond 2020, that's the decision of SEC. I'll take the forms back to SEC. That these candidates showed interest. What is your position? Are you admitting them, or the position of 2020 and beyond stands? My work will be to deliver the forms and the names to SEC, and SEC will do the vetting. That is the procedure.